Hello dears, today in a fourth tutorial in Hec-Ras, we model a weir in an open channel and we create 5 profiles. As you see, we have different discharge. We create profile for discharge 15, 50 and 100 until 250. We have this dimension. The bed width of the channel is 80 meter. Its elevation of the bed 10 meter and this length from here to here is 10 meter. Elevation of the top of the channel is 15, and we have elevation of the bottom of the weir 10.49, also at top 15.49 meter, and elevation of the bed of the weir here is 13 meter. Let's start modeling. Open Hec-Ras, File, New Project, determine your directory, weir1, OK. Then from option, Unit System, I select metric system, yes. Then from here, create a rival reach, double click, rival and reach 1, OK. Then from cross section, as a channel, you can create a cross section, first 0 option, add new cross section, 0 station 0, okay. 0 elevation is 10 and elevation is here elevation is 15 and elevation 10, 90, elevation 10, 100, elevation 15, and length is 0, 0, 0, let be 0.025 Manning's value 0.025, 0.025, here 0 and 100 by data. That's our channel cross section. Then from option, copy current cross section. Let's be station 1000. Okay. And length 1000. Control copy, Control V, Control V. And we have to change the elevation from option adjust elevation. We consider 0.001 slope of the bed channel. So at 1 meter elevation, you see, great. Just click apply data. Then from tools, X interpolation within a reach. From here, select 1000 upstream rival station, downstream 0. Let be 100 meter interpolate. Then from inline structure, go to option add an inline structure. We have to determine a station. For example, I determine 490 above downstream station 490. Then weir embankment distance, how much is far from the upstream cross section, 10 meter. Width, the length of the weir, let be 15 meter. Okay. Station, we have to determine from 0, its elevation is, we have 15.49. Why 15.49? Bring calculator. 0.001 times 490 equal to 0.49 plus 50 plus 10. Okay, 10.49 for the bottom, but for the embankment it will be 15.49. 10.49. Again 10, 10.49, 90, 10.49, 90 again, point, okay, 15.49, 100, 15.49. Oh, sorry, not 10, we select 300, 13, okay, 13, 13. From here, 1.5 and 2. We have two options, OG or Broad Crested weir. We selected Broad Crested weir. Okay, that's our weir cross section. Just remove here. Then from here we have to add flow data. For example, we have 5 flow data. Okay, go to Excel sheet, select it, control copy, back to time, select all you see, just click here, select all and control V. Good. And reach boundary condition for upstream normal depth. We know that the slope is 0.01 Okay. For downstream again, let be normal depths and the downstream slope 0.001. Okay, good. Then you can save flow data. Okay. Also from here you can from file save geometry. You can save it geometry data. Then remove this and you can from run steady flow analysis. Mix it. Compute. Okay. From here, let's see the cross section. That's energy grade line, water surface profile. If you change the profile, you can see it. Okay. Then from here, you can see the profile. Okay. Then from view, perspective plots. Here also you can see. The plot. Also from the table, you see the Froude number, top width of the channel, flow area, velocity, energy grade line elevation, water surface elevation, discharge. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.